Are you still struggling with tinnitus? Here's what treatments actually work based on the latest research. First, use sound therapy for at least 3 to 5 hours a day. Second, cognitive behavioral therapy is proven to reduce the distress tinnitus can cause. Third, stress reduction techniques make a big difference. Fourth, consider bimodal stimulation like the linear device, which is FDA approved and backed by solid research. And make sure you follow proven sleep protocols because sleep is crucial. If you need help for tinnitus, reach out to me and my team at Treble Health. We got you covered.